Oh, my bad. Oh, fucking shit. They get it going right now. All right, y'all. Finally doing an official build breakdown, as it was much deserved, on Pops' 1972 240Z. All right, so for those who have been following us, yeah, some of it may be repetitive, but for those that are not, I'm gonna give you a full breakdown. So this was a stock. Hold on. Hey, you think you hear me or not?
It'll be kind of loud in the background.
I think my voice just cracked. It hit puberty and shit too. All right, fuck it. Just fucking throw some, like, I don't know, songs or some shit in there. This was a stock 1972 240Z when we first got it. We'll get right to the heart. We pulled the inline out, dropped the 2001 Corvette LS1 in it. As you can see, it actually had more room to begin with the LS than the actual original motor. Got aluminum radiator, custom intake done. Shout out to Mayhem for that. Got CX Racing headers, mid pipe, but all the wiring still needs to be done. But as of right now, we're doing a full mock-up on it. All right. Exterior wise in the front, we're running a carbon fiber lip. Not gonna keep it carbon fiber for long. We're gonna end up painting the whole car, doing a color change on it, deciding between a metallic green or a burgundy. I think the burgundy would be hot, but the green, because most people don't have it, would be something different. We went ahead and shaved all the bumpers because they used to have mounting tabs for like a bumper guard, like a rubber bumper guard. We deleted all that, smoothed all the bumpers out front and rear. Damn, I can't even, I'm drawing a blank, but I forgot what wheels it is. But these are the iconic Z style wheels. I forgot the name. Give me a second, it'll come to me. We went 17 by 10 on all four corners. As you can see, they poke out significantly, but I'll show you why. Thanks to Ulterior Motive Shop, we got these nice flares, steel flares at that, because everybody was always running the plastic ones that, you know, just bolt in or rivet into the body, but I want to do something a little bit cleaner on this one. So we went ahead with these. Now we got the fun of trying to make them fit. After doing a lot of research, there was no exact flare for this that would just bolt on, or actually bolt on, that can fabricate cleaner. A lot of guys were actually doing, I think, 996 Porsche conversion flares on it, but it was too bulky. So this one will get it right where we need to. This is kind of the right height we want to have the car at. We already knocked out Silvermine suspensions, got full coilovers, upper and lower, billet arms with adjustable hind ends. It's got fucking everything on it. On the interior side, got to give a shout out to Skillard Automotive. They're back east, but they specialize in Z's, and they hooked us up with this nice aluminum center console. It's not gonna stay the race style. We're gonna end up doing reupholstering it when we do the interior. Shout out to Mayhem again. Mayhem Metalworks. They knocked out this little half cage for us in it. If you come around, come peep this, Josh. So from right here, you can peep the full cage. It's functional and clean, and will still allow us to have a good amount of space in here for whatever the hell we gonna put. Probably nice little stereo or something like that. All right, let me lift this up. Oh shit, peep the, all right, peep the rear, peep the rear, peep the rear. All right, so like I said, we shaved the rear bumpers as well. Got rid of all the bolt holes, all the rubber stops and everything, just to have it look a lot cleaner. Let me lift it up. This beautiful upskirt view. We have the nice 3-inch full exhaust system. We're running a Vibrant Performance muffler. Actually, we got a Corsa Extreme resonator. But as you can see, beautiful welding, beautiful bends into the CX Racing transition, going from dual to single for the traditional Z single exhaust exit. Right here, look at the beautiful arms from Silvermine Motoring, fully adjustable. And then obviously you can see the Willwood setup. We're running a dual caliper at that. We got the actual normal braking caliper and then the e-brake caliper in this as well. Also could be used as a drift caliper, but we'll see what has to be done on that. Last up for this underneath We're gonna swap a 350Z rear end into this and have to get some custom axles made. And the only downside to this car is, which is pretty common for Zs, but on the battery side, it had an extensive amount of rust. And whoever had this previously used this lower brace as a jack point instead of the pinch welds and fucking just hammered this all the way through. And there's rust on this. So the hardest part to this build right now is going to be, because they don't make these, is trying to find somebody to recreate these for us. If not, we're going to have to make them by hand, which is not a problem. But hope we can find somebody out there that makes these channels something stronger, and we can go from there. But other than that, this thing looks beautiful underneath. As you can see underneath here, this is a fully stock LS motor. This motor came from vet, I believe, in Hurricane Katrina at a dealership, if I'm right. It only had 8,000 miles on it. So once we popped the heads off, we did seals and everything, top end of this motor looked beautiful. So it was a great platform to start with. Champion radiator, dual fans, fitting nice and tight in there. I mean, come peep that out. It's just, it looks like it was supposed to be there. So this build is gonna be a fun one for us. So enjoy.